Good morning, happy homeowners. I'm here in Santa Ana with that hand distressed floor doing a final update. We just got the second coat of finish on, so they have one more to do, but this is essentially what it's going to look like when that's all done. It looks pretty good. I'm here in the kitchen now. Looks good. Much, much better than where we started off. The homeowner is really happy. We were able to get this done before her housewarming party this week. And so we got one more coat, and then after a good 3 hours, you can walk on it with socks. So then tomorrow they'll be moving furniture back. So yeah, thanks for following along.